Kambuni ya majani ya KTDA ni oritie arimi ba majani gotigira ni baguketha majani jaria mathongi buru kenda gukinyira nkathire kwendeka kungi na kuthirikari ya kaunti ya EMBU nethithitie ngwataniro ya miaka 3 na mubango jwa Beyond Zero Foundation kenda kurwa na mpanga ya nyimba ichi na Nteto ingi nikiri Mutukanio jojo jwa Nteto. Arimi ba majani ni boretwe ni KTDA guketha majani jaria mathongi buru kenda kutheremia urimi bwa kimera giki na nkuruki gotigira ni bakugunika.
We shall have a set of KTDA minimum quality standards that must be attained by all KTDA teas. This will enhance our competitiveness in the global market and ensure that Kenyan tea continues to be a product of choice. We'll still concentrate or maximize our effort on product diversification. And this will reduce volume of bulk teas stored in our warehouses. We will focus on diversifying our product range. This will not only reduce overstocking of the Black Sea tea, but also provide the market with a host of diverse products to meet their different tastes and preferences. Dear colleagues, the market dynamics are evolving. We therefore must proactively indulge in robust product diversification by indulging in value addition endeavor.
Na kundene ya kaunti ya EMBU thirikari ya kaunti jene andikanirite witikaniria na Beyond Zero kenda gukandana na mithemba ya murimo jwa nyimba.
We launch a 3-year program, Beyond Foundation EMBU County Partnership, that will be centered at Kairore Level 3 Hospital and will enable us conduct extensive cervical and breast cancer awareness, screening and treatment outreaches in the above wards for the first year. During the first year, our target is to reach 4,000 women of eligible age for screening, then offer treatment, referral and linkage services as appropriate. Other activities will, in addition to the outreaches, include comprehensive capacity building of healthcare providers for them to get the skills to offer screening and treatment services, continuous medical education, sensitization of our CHPs and the community on prevention and control, advocacy and stakeholder engagement.
The Beyond Zero Cervical Cancer Management Project is a beacon of hope for the women of EMBU County. It represents our county's determination to invest in health, particularly in the health of women, who are often the backbone of our society. Through this initiative, we will implement a comprehensive strategy to fight cervical cancer.
Nawe Minister wa Utalii Rebecca MIANO na ugete rwangiro rone ruchitanirite na njira injero cia gutigira ageni baba ingine bakurionga Kenya na kuongera baita milioni 5 gwekinya mwaka jwa 2027.
There is a priority for the wildlife conservation ya kuconvert wildlife ndio ikue inajenga uchumi wa nchi na pia kuongezeka kwa wanyama porini. Na vile serikali itashirikiana na communities ili waweze kufanya hiyo kazi pamoja. Ningependa kuuliza Wakenya waje wajionee nchi yao. Mimi kama mmoja wa Kenya, tangu nichukue hii wizara wiki 3 iliyopita, nimegundua miujiza mingi, vitu mingi sana katika hii nchi yetu. Hata kabla wageni hawajafika hapa, wacha Wakenya wajionee.